What's up guys, and welcome to 3 Minute Thursdays, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to properly hold your camera. So let's get to it. Well, I'm going to teach you how to brace up your camera to have a nice steady shot. Well, let's bring out the camera. Alright, so let's put a timer on the clock. Let's go. You're gonna have essentially a 3-point contact with your camera, and essentially it's gonna be like a triangle. So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be bracing up your elbows. There's your 2 point of contacts right there, and bracing it against your body. Your third point of contact is gonna be your face when you bring up the camera to take the shot. So what you're gonna be doing, tuck those elbows in, grab your camera, and then you're gonna actually pop it just like this. There's your 3-point of contact. Another way to help out with your photographs is image stabilization, and you'll find that on your lens. So the next one is regulating your breathing. What I do is I actually hold my breath when I take the shot. Now that might be a little bit tricky just because you're decreasing the oxygen to your muscles when you're holding the camera. So it might not be the best case in your scenario. If you're doing like a meditation breathing, that will help you out. In between each breath, you're gonna be hitting the shutter. Like a slow breathing too. So you're gonna be, and then hit the shutter, and then exhale, hit the shutter. That position I don't really recommend. And let me break it down for you. So let's start out with your dominant hand holding the camera. There is a weak point, and that weak point is actually in your wrist. You're holding the weight of the camera just on that center point. So to correct it, you actually want to turn your camera the other way, and you're going to be holding it just like this. This creates a straight line. It doesn't create that L position. So there's no really pain in the wrist. The second one is actually holding the lens just like this. It's like an overhand, and what that creates also another weak point, but this time is actually in your thumb. So you're holding the weight of the lens on your thumb. So what you want to do is actually bring your hand and place it underneath the lens, so you have a nice sturdy grip on it. And as you can see, that there is a straight line between your hand, your wrist, and your forearm. You need something like that to have a good stabilized image. So with the combination of the two, you want to hold it just like that. Now, there's not going to be the 3-point positioning just because your arm is going to be out and about like this. But I think if you practice long enough, you're going to find a nice balance between where your arm is. Whew. So that one was a close one. That one I almost just about made it to the 3-minute mark. Luckily I crammed everything in, and I hope you got something out of it. So that's it for this time being. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you all got something out of 3 Minute Thursdays. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Yes! And if you want to see more of the videos that I produce, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Got it! But until then, I will see you guys in the next video. See ya!